Everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Google Nest Audio. It is a two-way speaker. It's claimed that it has 70% more power than the Google Home, which was discontinued. It has also 3 times the weight of the new Google Home. So let's get to the unboxing. As of specs, let's get this thing out. I hope it has European adapter. It is a pretty hefty device. If you have good magnets, you have good sound quality. Okay. Everything is plain simple. As you can see, the Google Home sits up down. Here is the mute button and the power adapter input. A nice rubbery fit, and the Google itself. It's a nice mesh. It is comparable the aspect to the Google Home, but this is a little bit darker color, and the weight, boy, this is heavy. Let's get next in the box. Here is the power adapter. I seen that this power adapter holds up to 30 watts. Okay, so this has the European standard, because all my other adapters have a small adapter to them. So this is 30 watts. This is a very good adapter, because it represents that the speaker itself has power. Okay, and this is some paperwork. So everything is plain simple here, no fancy stuff. Let's do a little bit of size comparison. Oops. So this is Google Home, the discontinued version. This is the Google Nest Audio, and this is the mini one. So the sizes are pretty different. To add more to the weight, I am comparing the new Nest to the JBL Extreme. So this is the Extreme 2. Okay, so the size difference between this one and this one is about 3 times. The JBL is 3 times bigger as volume. Even if you put it in upper stand, you can see what I mean. So the size is there, but the weight, this is 1 kilo 200, if I'm not mistaken, grams, and this one is 2 kilos and 300 grams. This has 4 speakers inside, and this one has only 2. So one is 4-way stereo and one is 2-way So the spec-wise, Google Nest has one tweeter which has 19 millimeters, and the JBL Extreme 2 has two tweeters about 20 millimeters each, and the woofers on the Google Nest Audio, it is about 75 millimeters, and on the JBL Extreme it's around 70 millimeters, so they are a little bit smaller, but the passive radiators compensate this. The weight of Google Nest Home is about 1.2 kilograms, and this is twice as much, but take in account that JBL has water protection and included battery, and the battery has 10,000 milliamps. This has a power adapter of around 60 watts, and this has a power adapter of about 30 watts. Also I have this is rated for 40 watts, this is rated for 30 watts. I also have a Harman Kardon. I actually can show it. A Harman Kardon Go Plus Play. That one is rated for 100 watts, and the power adapter, I don't know if it has 40 watts, so it's way less than the JBL Extreme 2. So the Harman Kardon is has two woofers which are about 90 millimeters and two tweeters which are about 20 millimeters, and the weight is about 3.4 kilograms, and it produces around of 100 watts on adapter and 50 watts on battery, but the battery is not that good. Okay, so this was my unboxing of Google Nest. It will be a nice addition to my smart home. I really bet that one extra mic is way better than Google Home's, because this one has its mic here and here, and they were a little bit disappointing because sometimes it did not hear my comments, and that was pretty annoying sometimes. Let's hope these far field mics are way better. Okay, I will come later for a follow-up video. So for now, thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.